My friend, as you can see at this time, SafeMoon is priority from all coin, my brother. You can see it just in only plus 7.15% their price will increase now. What's the main reason? After a long time, SafeMoon is starting moving upwards. So it's a good news for all of you to SafeMoon starting moving upward now. So as you can see, my brother, this time last 4 hour chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely show you to the price will be increasing now. So plus 2.18% the price is increased now, and it's a very good news. If we check out the last 7 days chart, especially in this month, then absolutely we understand in upcoming time there is a chance to them moving upward or not. So as you can see, without any time waste, I predicate this coin. Kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Please subscribe this channel. So as you can see, SafeMoon after a short fails take a jump. After you can see, absolutely after a short fails they take a jump, and after a very bad fails they take a very good jump. And already you see, my friend, the last 4 hour chart. So it's mean to upcoming time there's more chances to them moving upward. The price is more increasing. So you need to hold, don't sell it, hold it. I hope, my friends, the SafeMoon is go and the moon absolutely in upcoming time, because this is the start of month, and you know every cryptocurrencies is fails down in the start of month. So therefore I will tell you, my brothers, to don't see this short fail, because this is short fails. But I hope, my friend, after a fails, after this big fails, they will take a very huge jump. So you know, if you hold, then absolutely at the end of month they will give you 2x to 5x good profit, my brother. So you need to hold. Please like this video and remember to subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for more this type informative video. Every Stick channel will update you every time.